Okay, got a bathroom door here. They say sometimes it latches, sometimes it doesn't. It's rubbing a little. Look at the latch bolt. It should be in the middle of that strike plate, but it's very low. That almost always means that top hinge is loose. See that big gap up there? We're going to open the door, going to lift the door by the knob and kind of wiggle it up and down to see if it moves. Look at that. That hinge is shaking. That tells me those screws are loose. So let's put our driver in there, see if we can tighten the screws. They just spin around. That tells you those screws are stripped. And with black hinges, they almost always have tiny black screws that are no good. So we're going to put in some new screws, but we're also going to put in a hinge shim to move that door toward the jamb. So we've stabilized the door. We're just going to shim half of the hinge. That's all we need to do, and that's going to push our door to the left. I just put the 2 screws in there to start with. That's going to tilt our hinge. Now see, that is going to push our door to the left. See how much smaller that gap is now? That looks normal because our door is pushed to the left. Now, that pushes the top right of the door up, and that raises our knob so that it can latch. But it's still not high enough. We're going to have to lower this strike plate because we want the latch bolt to be in the middle of the strike plate. So we just lowered that strike plate about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. See that? Now the latch bolt is directly in the center of the strike plate. It latches perfectly. We have nice even gaps, and it's all good.